Thanks for checking out another clip of the Cashflow Contractor. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. Click subscribe wherever you get your podcasts.
How do you approach employee evaluations reviews?
I think they should be, instead of a look backwards, they should be a roadmap forward to help drive performance and revenue on the bottom line, or drive professional growth and development in that person. And so while they are somewhat of a grade book looking over the last year, they should be forward looking to drive help and to drive the business forward.
I like that.
So
something you can actually still do something about.
Absolutely.
The future.
Absolutely. And I think where a lot of folks go wrong with their performance reviews is they save up all the things that have really irritated them about that employee for the year. And it becomes a blasting session. The employee comes in and they just blast them with all of the negative things. And it totally demoralizes that employee to where they leave that office feeling defeated. And so, in my opinion, there should be the annual review, but there should be at least quarterly check-ins and one-to-ones between that immediate supervisor and that employee routinely. And as things come up, little issues along the way, they should be addressed in a conversational manner, just as the good things that they do should be acknowledged in a timely manner as well, so that employee, every interaction, they know that their supervisor is on their side and hoping that they win.
Yeah, somewhere along the line in my years of business, I learned catch them doing something right and catch them publicly doing something right.
Yes, absolutely. And when you're making those corrections, you do those corrections in private.
Yeah, in private. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I love that. So, well, you kind of answered it, but how often? You said quarterly, people talk annually. You said two things, how often, and then who does it? And you said the manager. Anyway, more formally, I'm the owner of a small business.
Yeah.
Maybe I've got 19 employees. Strange, I have 2 clients that have 19 employees. Am I doing them all, or do I give some to shop foreman to do? I mean.
Yeah, my question would be, who's the immediate supervisor?
Okay.
And I think that they're the ones that need to build that rapport with the employee, because statistically, when employees leave their jobs, it's a known fact in HR that employees don't typically leave because of the business. They leave because of that relationship or lack thereof with their immediate supervisor. Yeah. So it's really important that immediate supervisor builds a great rapport with that employee. I also think it's great that that owner of the company with 19 employees gets to know them well, too. So I think that there's opportunity for both.
Thanks for checking out a clip from the Cashflow Contractor. We have full episodes where we go deep on topics that help you grow a construction business that runs without you, so you can have less stress, more time, more money. Now, we've got other videos, other clips, but if you want to check out the full episode for this clip, you can click wherever our editor put it. It might be here, it might be there, it might be over my face, I don't know. But thank you for checking us out. We'd love to have you as a part of our audience. So subscribe or check out a full episode wherever you get podcasts.